Hello students, I hope all of you are doing fine and you are studying well. So the purpose of this video is to let you know that we are going to form a formal batch for the students who are going for the examination of 2023. Those who are going for 2023 need extra care because we want them to clear this preliminary examination, mains as well as the interview. So we'll be forming a particular mentorship group in which they will get extra classes, they'll get some extra questions, will be getting some difficult target so that they can get help into this examination. The purpose of this group is to make you ready till December. Before you get your mission prelims course, you will be very much ready with this mentorship group. Apart from it, this particular group has a rule. Actually, you need to give a test, an entrance test, before you get into this rule. And the test would be based on certain subjective and certain objective questions. Talking of the subjective questions, you will be getting 8 questions in which there will be 4 questions from 15 mark and 4 questions from 10 mark. And 35 questions of MCQs will be also provided to you into the same. So the total marks of the test is 170. Okay, now you must be thinking that where you would get the syllabus. The syllabus would be very precise because we want to see your dedication level. So that's why we are giving a very particular part of the syllabus, that is WCR, weekly current roundup. So we have decided that first 10 magazines of WCR would be given to you, and you would be given a month, not a month, sorry, a week, so that you can prepare those 10 magazines, almost 120 topics, and you will be getting 35 questions in objective form and 8 questions in subjective form. So prepare well, be very serious about it, cause we will be making you do 10,000 plus questions before December, and we'll be helping you to arrange your routine and every single thing, and every day you will be asked for 3 hours of extra class. That would be a very competitive environment. So all the best, and no one whoever is even a single 1% not willing to go for this batch or this mentorship group is not at all welcome. So work hard. If you will deserve, then only you would be into this group. All the best.